me about your English journey and what are the activities you are doing in your daily day. So, doing any practices and how long have been you learning English? How many years and how many days?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I would love to tell you about some main points of my spoken English journey. Actually, I started in the month of March 2024. It's been 2 years now,
Mm,
and I have been practicing with my consistency.
mm.
I appreciate myself that yes, I am consistent still now, and I'm not going to break it because when you are consistent, so you are going to get your results very smoothly.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is required? Only your determination. Means if you are going to work on your speaking for 20 minutes, 15 minutes, or 2 hours, it depends that what is the frequency of your work. Means if you are giving 10 minutes, so these 10 minutes should be on daily basis. If you are giving 1 hour, so your 1 hour should be on daily basis. It should not like be that one day you are practicing for 2 hours, and after 3 4 days you have just maintain a gap, and then you are coming back to your speaking practice. So it will be totally futile, and this
Yes,
is not going to give you any useful result.
yes,
So
ma'am.
whatever time you have, just do on daily basis and maintain your consistency.
Yeah, ma'am. Because in this language we have consistencies only matter. If your
Yes.
consistency too much good, they will definitely help for you and for your enhancing the skill and boosting your English
Mm,
speaking. So if you are not, if you are gap between 2 to 3 days, then you will back to the front. So
mm.
consistency is the matters key.
And other thing is that who just want to start with the totally beginning, so they should also start with speaking. What happens, people think that I know nothing about English, so I'm not going to speak anything. Just open your mouth. If
Yes,
you
ma'am.
know 5 words in English, so speak those 5 words.
Yes, ma'am.
And just start with imperative sentence. Try to speak 2 word sentences like stand up, come here, go there, in this way, and then 3 letters word, please open the door, and something else,
Yes,
and some sentences that are ready made structure, you can go with that also. So in this way, just start with small, because
yes,
small efforts also add great values. and
yes, ma'am.
as and after that, as you are practicing on daily basis, so what happens, start describing your day. What did you do since morning till evening? So
Yes,
when you
ma'am.
describe your day, it is not monotonous. Those who says that it is really very bore thing to describe our day because this is almost same. So it's not like that. You would feel that every day is not the same. Means that habits can be same. That yes, we get up, we had lunch, and we had dinner, we had breakfast. It could be same, but your day is totally different. There is
Yes, ma'am.
something else, something new that you have done. Sometimes just write about what are you feeling,
Yes, ma'am.
express your feelings. Sometimes you are very happy in a particular day, sometimes you are disappointed because of any any circumstances. So just try to think that what are you feeling, or try to write in your own sentence. Don't think that there would be any grammatical mistake, because grammar comes later. First,
Fl-
fluency comes.
Fluency
It
comes.
is
Yeah.
my perception.
Yeah, ma'am.
Just start speaking. Just start speaking, and pay attention to your grammar part gradually. Means just take some time.
Yeah.
After that, you can go with the grammar or tenses also. Yes, for basic information, you need to be aware of tenses like simple present, simple past, simple future. Okay, so in this way we can start. And when you
Okay.
think yes, now you are able to speak to express your ways, so simultaneously you can work on your grammar too.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, definitely. I agree with your
And for
opinion.
those who think that grammar is really very difficult, so they can start reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Reading is great exercise because what happens when we read, we practice grammar automatically.
Yes,
Means when we read, so same types of sentence structure automatically comes in front of us. So we come to know that how we are using like he does or she does, I do, we
yes,
do in this way. So these type of sentences comes automatically. Yes.
yes, ma'am. Yeah, yeah, ma'am. I totally agree with your opinion. Uh, in my terms of ma'am, I I am getting bored when I'm reading some books. I only
Hmm.
and it's take me around. I bought two novels books, but I read only 3 pages in first novel book. When I read the pages, I'm getting so much bored and sleepy. So
Hmm.
I can understand this thing because the novels books and the sentence you have to read is very hard. If you have read the sentence and go for easy and good easy sentence, you must
Yes,
go
that's
for
why.
easy. Yeah.
Really, if somebody is totally new, he just want to inculcate a habit of reading, so they can start with short stories because
Yes.
fictions, novels, and self-help books they could be quite difficult for them. But if you are going with short stories or NCRT stories, so that is going to help you because that has been written for the small kids,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
it is really very good, and you just made your skill, you just polish your skill that is based on basic skills. Yes, so just start from short stories, it is best, you are not going to be bored, and within 2 minutes you can complete one story.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely. Actually, I have talked with lots of YouTubers, and they will suggesting me one book was named as Sudha Murthy's book.
Yes.
So I understand, and tomorrow I will buy the book, and I have ordered this book. So I
Mm.
will read that book, and maybe I will focusing and on reading part. But in terms
Yes,
of
it's also good.
yeah, but
Your
in terms of
language is really very
yeah,
quite relatable, quite comprehensible of
yes,
Sudhamurti.
yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. I never wrote those book, but most of the YouTubers say you should go for this book. So I agree on this, and then I uh, ordered this book. Maybe 2 to 3 days it will take time to reach my home.
Oh,
So
great.
I will work on
For
this.
the time being, for the time being, as you are not getting your Sudhamurti's book, you can start with any any small class book like class one, class two, class three. These are also full of beautiful stories.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Uh,
Yes.
yeah, I will definitely go for it, and I will definitely work on this. So, ma'am,
Hmm.
do you have any question for me?
Yeah, actually, I just want to ask you that as you are practicing this much, so do you practice some conversational questions also for your interview?
Yeah, ma'am. I have given so many interviews. So when I have question will be repeated, the interview will be asked repeated question. Then I will
Yes, some are basics like your introduction, what are your strength, what are your weakness, and how you are going to enhance. So many things are there. So you can practice. You can do mirror practice also. It is going to give you great result. It will boost your confidence at the same time.
yeah, ma'am. I'm
Yes.
doing shadowing practice also and learning and listening practice so much because I have spent 5 to 6 hours for listening purpose and for a conversation I have three conversation per day. So
Yes.
it's give me a lots of confidence. It's and when I am first video with Pooja ma'am, so I got a blank because English word did not came to my mind. And day by
Mm.
day, I have focusing and enhancing my skills. And so there was a 15 days later, I took 7 session in one day because I have so much confidence to in front of others. So
Great. Actually, I have noticed that you are speaking good English.
yeah, ma'am.
Really.
Yeah,
And
thank you.
just keep on practicing on daily basis, so you will be fluent. No matters. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, good things happen takes time. So better we are
Yes.
consistent on this part. They will definitely help for you. Because,
Yes.
ma'am, I have only started 1.5 months before. So as compared to
Mm.
1.5 months before, as I know, the things is very better in ancient way.
Yes. Just try to make every day your 2 minutes videos. No need to upload that video on the channel. If you
Okay.
think that it's not good, just try to speak whatever you want to speak about, whatever, anything. So in this way, you will be able to boost your confidence. You will be able to face the camera. You will be able to face strangers too, because you will feel confident. Yes, now this is the person in
Mm.
front of me, and I can speak too much good English.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
just make your 2 minutes video every day.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am, definitely I
Yeah.
will follow your suggestions and definitely I will
So
work on this.
it's, yes, it's been a great session with you.
Uh,
If you have any question, you can ask. Otherwise, we can wind up the session.
ma'am, right now we have not any question, but ma'am, one week after we will schedule a session with you and discuss one topic, one realistic topic. So,
Yeah, sure.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's
Okay, then. Bye bye.
very nice conversation with you, and I have gained so much experience. You suggesting me yoga and yoga related topics, and do what type of practice you do in your daily basis. Thank you for giving me a suggestion, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
then. Bye bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.